Hello, this is Hamid from Original Design. Today I want to show you how to create the adaptive panel um, that we can put on our project. But I want to show you two types of the adaptive panel, and also since um, this adaptive component, they are very vast and complex subject, I prefer to show you in many parts, that each part should be very short to don't make you confused about this important subject that you can use in your project. So today I start the first part that will be how we create the adaptive panels. That the first one, adaptive panel of 4 points, and second one, adaptive panel of 9 points. I will tell you what is the difference of these two and which one is good that you select for your project. Okay, first things that we have to do for create the adaptive, we have to create a new project. In our project, I go to architecture template, I open, and I go to math, I in place math, put the math one, and already we are in level 1. Before starting to math, I create several reference plane. I call this reference plane number 1, and the second one I call reference plane number 2. Okay, just I start to create the map. I go to elevation view south, and I start to put the I go by name, not pick line. So I go to reference plane number 1 first, and I go here. As you see here, number 1, okay. Just I put 50, and the second one I go to reference plane number 2, and I just pick the line, but I go to offset 10. Okay, just I will show you how it look like in the 3D views. Okay, I created these two lines. Right now I create the 4. I select both, holding the control key, and I go to create the 4. Okay, so I select and divide the surface, and after that we have to show the nodes to place our family, adaptive family here. Okay, just before to go to create my family, I want to change this division a little bit. Okay, I think okay, let me change this one to, I want to change this to 4, and this 12 would be okay. Okay, the reason that I'm doing this one because I want to show you one important okay, I go to top and I select this one and I copy that one more. I will tell you why I did that one. You will know later on. Okay, I want put one with the adaptive panel with 4 point and another one with 9 point. Now I go to create the adaptive panel. I create a new family, generic adaptive panel of 9 point. Before starting, I select this one as a set my work plane and I go put 4 point. 1, 2, 3, 4. I make them adaptive. I select all. If you notice, I started clockwise. When I make it adaptive, the number that they show, they follow the way that I selected. 1, 2, 3, 4. But if I used to put my point from here and then counterclockwise, the number which show the way that I put the point. But this is okay for me. I got the top view, the region, because I want to select form panel for this. I go here and I select these 2 points also and spline through them. I think I don't need to connect these two because just with these 2 lines I can create my panels. I select these 2 lines and I go to create a form because I have 3 options. I do this one and for now I don't care about the material, just I let be like a default material, but I have to save this and I call 4 point panel. I save it and I load in my project. Before I go to 3D view, okay, I put this 4 point here. 1, okay, I think load projects. I think it came a little bit. I go to create component 4 point. Okay, I go here. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I select this one. You know, doing this one for each division take quite a lot of time. So to save my time, I select this panel, adaptive panel that I put here, and after selecting this, I go to this repeat button that has like a array. I click on P. Really, it's not showing. I go to, okay. You see, with 4-point panel that you see the tessellation that you see is not very smooth. If not, this panels, adaptive panel, doesn't follow the smooth curve of my math. So that is not perfect for me. So to solve this problem, I go to create another panel, not with 4-point, but let me go to generic adaptive panel. Okay, this time I select this, set and show, and I go 9 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope the number come out because yes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, make them adaptive. They follow exact the way that I put the points here. So I go to top view. I select each 3 points and make them spline through them. And this one, these 3, make them, and these 3. Okay, right now I create a form. Select these 3. 1, 2, 3. Create a form. Okay, we have the adaptive panel with 9 points. I save and call them panel of 9 points. I save it and I load in my project. I will show you what is the difference with 4 points. I go to 3D view. Okay, here I want, please pay more attention because it's very important. Okay, here it didn't go through. Okay, I delete this one. I go again, create component 9 point. Okay, let start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Already you see what is the difference between these 2 panels. And I select and go to P, repeat. Okay, I go to front view. Okay, you see the difference totally. You can see the smoothness of this panel in comparison with another one. So this is much better that we use other panel with 9 points rather than 4 points. This makes us more perfect shape and much more professional for our project. Unless the project that we want to do should be like that. That is the difference. But for most of the time, I think we need more like that. So the next time I want to show you another way of the adaptive panel. That time I won't create the frame for these panels and other subject about the adaptive component. That is very important subject in Revit. Thank you for watching and see you next time.